Hello to all my subscribers and new viewers. Welcome to Multibhasha Learning. In today's lesson on Multibhasha Learning, we are going to learn about the word camouflage. This video will include pronunciation, part of speech, meaning, examples, synonyms, and antonyms of the word camouflage. Before going ahead with the details, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe to Multibhasha Learning by clicking on red subscribe button below and hit the notification bell for more educational videos. Let's get started with pronunciation. This word is pronounced as camouflage. Coming to parts of speech, camouflage is a noun. Let's see the meaning and examples related to this word. Camouflage means the way in which an animal's color or shape matches its surroundings and makes it difficult to be spotted. For example, Arctic fox is best known for its thick, warm fur that is also used as camouflage. The white fur of Arctic fox blends easily with surrounding snow and helps in protection from predators. Another example is, it is well known that chameleons change their color to camouflage themselves to avoid predators. Another meaning for this word is in relation to soldiers. It means materials or colors that soldiers use to make themselves and their equipment difficult to see. For example, using his camouflage jacket, he walked from his house into the woods. Let's look into the synonyms. First synonym is disguise. Disguise means to make something or someone unrecognizable by altering its appearance, sound, taste, or smell. For example, I put on fake mustache, glasses, and a hat as a disguise. Let's see another example. The thief attempted to escape in disguise but was arrested by police. Next synonym is conceal. Conceal means to prevent something from being known or to keep it a secret or to hide it. For example, he tried to conceal his smoking habit from his family. Another example is, Peter could not conceal his annoyance at being interrupted. Other synonyms are hide, mask, veil, guise, cloak, obscure. Let's look into the antonyms. First antonym is reveal. Reveal means to make previously unknown or secret information known to others. For example, at last, the truth was revealed in front of the whole family. Another example is, the survey revealed that many teenagers are alcoholics. Next antonym is unveil. Unveil means to remove covering from something like a new monument or work of art as part of a public ceremony. Unveil can also be said as to show or announce about something or someone publicly for the first time. For example, the company plans to unveil 2 car designs next week. Let's see another example. Companies from across the country are here to unveil their latest models. Other antonyms are unmask, uncover, show, discover, expose. Hope you are clear with the detailed learning about camouflage. Let's look into the summary. Camouflage means the way in which an animal's color or shape matches its surroundings and makes it difficult to be spotted. Another meaning is materials or colors that soldiers use to make themselves and their equipment difficult to see. Synonyms of camouflage are disguise, conceal, hide, mask, veil, guise, cloak, obscure. Antonyms of camouflage are reveal, unveil, unmask, uncover, show, discover, expose. Hope this video is helpful in learning about the word camouflage. If you still have any doubts or queries, you can put down a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family.